So let's unbox together tobacco honey from Guerlain with this beauty cutie bee on it. Let's see. What do we have here? Right from Paris? An amazing bottle of spicy tobacco and vanilla, you could say, but it's tobacco honey. Baba bee bam. Ooh, what a bottle. Hi guys, welcome at Perfumes with Crisi. Let's talk about one amazing fragrance based on tobacco. Yes, we're around tobaccos this season, even if it's spring, and people say tobaccos are for cold season, for autumn. Well, I don't think so. Special tobacco, which is from Guerlain, tobacco honey. This one, I have it here in a decant for now, because I also have a surprise for myself and for you, of course. Anyways, I've been ordering this decant around 3 weeks ago. I've been trying it on. Look, I quite used it to make a good idea. And although I couldn't say that I will adore it from the very beginning, I started loving it so much that I had to order a full box of Guerlain tobacco honey. Well, before opening it with you, I know the fragrance by now, but I'll keep the surprise of unboxing it together with you. Before doing this, let me tell you a little bit about the story of this one. I love tobaccos, as I told you, and vanillic, and my favorite was tobacco vanilla. Then I discovered Tobacco One from Swiss Arabian, and then I heard in the media, in the social media, and also on YouTube, because I was searching for other tobaccos. I smelled, as a parenthesis, I smelled red tobacco from Mancera, and it seems to me too masculine. So I'm not into that, and I'm not really enjoying red tobacco on a man either. But anyways, some people do, and it's a real beast mode. But this one, it's really beastie too. And I discovered as an idea from Guerlain tobacco honey, then one of my favorite YouTubers, which is not a perfume YouTuber, just a fashion YouTuber, talked about her perfume collection, and there was also Tom Ford tobacco vanilla, and she also had Guerlain's tobacco honey. Then I was crazy about this. I saw that it has a very high price, and I will tell you immediately about the price of this one. And then when I went out in a club with some friends, I smelled something so interesting, so captivating on one of my friends, and guess what? She was just wearing tobacco honey from Guerlain. She has just purchased it, and she was discovering also, and I loved it on her. It's not an easy perfume. It's deep, it's dark, it's very sensual. It's for a very dark and mysterious lady, and she wears it very well because she's a very gothic style girl, a very rock gothic girl, and I loved it. But it's also a mature perfume, and it's also, in my opinion, a very unisex perfume. I could also see a tall, dark, mysterious man wearing tobacco honey with no issue and I would still be attracted to the perfume. About the man, I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, So I smelled it for the first time on my friend. Then I finally decided to order this decant. I've been using it a lot, but not so much so as to be able to make a video for you and to still have some juice. And in the meanwhile, I couldn't wait and I wanted a full bottle because I wanted to smell like it. The prices are high. Guerlain, and this line of Guerlain is almost $400 or 300 and some lots of euros. But I have a friend in Paris. I cannot even find this in the shops in Romania because I'm in Romania, in Europe. You cannot even order it online to be delivered in Romania, but you can ask a friend. And my friend from Paris, which recently came to visit her parents and we met and so on, she brought me one bottle of Guerlain. Classy Lady 100 milliliters of Guerlain's tobacco honey with this elegant feel to it, with this elegant cap. No smell so far. I guess I have to spray it on first. It's a magnetic cap on this one. Beautiful and elegant, and I like this simplicity, the bee, the pretty bee, and the very dark and savory juice in it. Transparent, simple yet elegant bottle. And first spray on me. Come on. First spray from this bottle. Yeah, guys, there is something. I feel the tobacco leaves this time. At the first spray, I'm getting tobaccos. In the decant, there was first of all the spiciness. This is interesting. Oh, this is, how you feel the tobacco, that humid, wet tobacco, spiced tobacco at a tobacco shop, or if you have around a pipe smoker, the guys that's, or even ladies, because I used to smoke pipe. The pipe smokers have that humid tobacco, and this is the tobacco inside, and I feel vanilla and sweetness, of course. Sweetness is everywhere around, but this is strange. The decant did not have such a powerful tobacco leaf to it, but the bottle, the full bottle, has a much stronger, in the opening at least, a much stronger tobacco leaf feel. Oh, I love it. So let's see. It's a much more powerful tobacco to this perfume than I thought. It's great. But I told you I did not expect this difference from the decant to the tobacco leaf. Oh, it's amazing. Oh my God, I love this perfume. I'm telling you, I absolutely adore this perfume. I would like to spray it on, but I'm having on my t-shirt, I have other perfumes, so I don't want to mix it. I will return. Let me put something else on and I will spray it on, because I don't want to spoil this one and mix the bottles. So I'm back, still unwrapping and unboxing Guerlain's tobacco honey. I changed my shirt so I can spray it on. Has the tobacco a little bit, but just a tiny bit, the same type of tobacco as in red tobacco from Mancera, but not that sharp tobacco, not as sharply done as it was in red tobacco. And now let's spray it on my t-shirt. And before spraying it, this one is persistent, very, very persistent. It projects. People said that I leave a trail, a soft trail, when they're closer to me. So not like miles away, but you leave a trail in the room where you stay, where you've been, even if it doesn't strike people in the nose like a very, very sharp perfume. So yeah, let's use this baby. The sweetness. The sweetness. I adore this perfume. I wonder if I will wear this by itself, because I'm tempted to use it with a base, with a layered base, because I like the projection from Tobacco 1. And I didn't have so far enough tobacco honey to wear it by itself and to really feel myself. I also will admit something else to you guys, because I ordered another bottle of Tobacco 1 from Swiss Arabian, because the first one, I've been using it. I've been wearing it since the spring started. I've been wearing Tobacco 1 so much. And now I'm tempted to mix them. That one gives it an earthiness, which Tobacco honey doesn't have. Even if it includes woods to it, it doesn't have that amber earthiness as in Tobacco 1. And I like the combination, although they are both, actually they are all three very deep and complex perfumes, and quite heavy, some would say. I don't find that so. It's just spiciness, and it's working on very well. But I will try this on by itself also. I love this one. And you know what I love more? That I don't get from the full bottle, I don't get the same patchouli vibe as in the decant. Now they resemble, but anyways, it's a more pronounced, probably from the maturation period of the decant. But, and it's a glass bottle, so it maturated well in the decant. I don't have that patchouli vibe in this freshly opened bottle, and this is a good thing. It persists well, it performs well, it projects well. I can feel it on my clothes, people feel it around me. Thank you so much. Send you much love and many kisses.